Welcome to Wildlife Wonders. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most fascinating and mysterious birds on the planet, the Shoebill Stork, also known as Balaeniceps rex. This prehistoric-looking bird is unlike anything you've ever seen. With its enormous beak, piercing stare, and almost dinosaur-like movements, it seems like a creature from another era. Stay with us as we uncover some mind-blowing facts about this incredible bird. Appearance and size. The Shoebill Stork is an extraordinary bird with a truly unique appearance. It gets its name from its massive shoe-shaped beak, which can grow up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches long, and 10 centimeters, 4 inches wide. This powerful beak is designed for catching and crushing its prey with incredible precision. Standing at an impressive height of 110 to 140 centimeters, 3.6